Hello guys, welcome back to One of the Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Harbor Breeze ceiling fan remote not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, if your remote here or your remote for your ceiling fan is not working, well, there are going to be a few things that you can do here. So first things first is you want to check the battery. So ensure the remote has a fresh working set of batteries installed. So this is crucial because in this case, we need to make sure that it has enough power or it's receiving enough power. Now, next thing you want to do here is you want to turn off the fan's power. Now, cut the power to the fan by turning it off at the breaker. Simply using the fan switch isn't sufficient here, so you need to fully disconnect the power at the breaker to reset the system. Now, in this case, what we need to do next is we need to prepare our remote. So remove the back cover of your remote and access the reset options here. So we have our pairing options here and as well as a very small pin. So what you need to do here is you want to basically get a paper clip ready at your side. And what we need to do next is we want to restore the power to the fan by switching the breaker back on. Now, once it's actually powering back on, you want to use a paper clip to press and hold the power or reset up or pairing button on the remote while the fan is powering back on. So the fan will go through a pairing cycle here, so during which the remote will sync with the fan. Now, after the pairing process here, test the remote to ensure it works properly with the fan, but in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe at Turn of the Inspo. Thank you for watching.